Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I want to introduce you to one of the most amazing tools that every musician should know and use. LaLaL.ai. This tool really works like a complete studio inside your computer. It has features that each of them alone could do the job of an expensive software. Stem splitter for separating vocals and instruments. Voice cleaner for cleaning the voice. Voice changer for changing the gender or style of the voice. Voice cloner for cloning your own voice. Echo and reverb remover for removing echo and environmental noise. And even lead/back splitter for separating lead and backing vocals. What does it mean? It means you no longer have to pay heavy costs for buying studio equipment or acoustically treating your room. It's enough to record in a normal room, then with LaLaL.ai you can enhance the quality of your work and apply professional changes to it. Through the link I've put in the description, you can directly enter the LaLaL.ai website. The interesting point is that this tool is not only web-based, its app is also available for Android, Windows, Mac, and even iOS. That means wherever you are, you can easily use it. And a piece of good news, when you enter for the first time, it gives you a free 10-minute starter pack that you can use without any cost and test it. Now let's move to the sections. When you click on the products option, you'll see the list of its different features. The first section I want to show you is the stem splitter, or the vocal and music separator. Just click on Select File and upload the song you have in mind. Wait a few moments, and now see the result. Your music is divided into two parts. One is only the vocal.
Tell me why ain't nothing but a mistake. Tell me why.
And one is only the background music. From here on, it's all in your hands. You can rap on the instrumental or use the original vocal to create remixes and new projects. The next section I want to introduce is Voice Cleaner and Voice Changer. Let's first go to Voice Cleaner. This part works exactly like an expensive microphone in a professional studio. How? It completely removes all noises and unwanted sounds that entered during recording, along with your voice, and instead gives you a smooth, clean, and clear voice. That means as a content creator, you no longer need to spend a lot of money on studio equipment. Just record your voice with a simple microphone, then this tool fixes everything. Now let's try it. In this section, you can upload up to 20 files. Then just wait a few moments and hear the result. As you saw, the output is really amazing. Now we get to the next section, Voice Changer. Here you just need to record a voice, either a simple voice note or a video, and then upload it in this section. The tool gives you about 21 ready-made voices, from cartoon characters to the voices of famous singers like Drake, Eminem, Kanye West, Lady Gaga, Louis Armstrong, and many more. Even more interesting is that you can build a custom voice pack for yourself. That means you can clone your own voice and then change it however you want. This way, the voice you recorded can turn into a familiar, powerful, and attractive voice. This makes your content much more viewed because it sounds more familiar and listenable to people.
Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I want to introduce you to one of the most amazing tools that every musician should know and use.
Now we get to one of the most exciting sections, voice cloning. Here you can create an exclusive voice for yourself. That means you no longer need to record all the text yourself. Just give your voice to this tool and then the AI can speak instead of you, with the same tone and the same real voice of yours. For this, you only need to record and upload between 10 to 50 minutes of clean and noiseless voice from yourself. It takes a few minutes for the tool to analyze all the details of your voice. It thinks about every single letter, it learns your accent and tone of voice, and then it builds a very accurate model of your voice. From then on, wherever you want, you can give it a text to generate your voice for podcasts, videos, or any other project. Really awesome, right? A very important point I have to tell you is that this tool is not limited to English only. It doesn't matter if your language is Japanese, Italian, German, or any other language. LaLaL.ai works on all languages. That means you can be sure wherever you are and in whatever language you speak, this tool processes your voice accurately and gives you the same amazing quality. When you record at home or in a normal room, usually your voice gets echo or reverb. That means your voice sounds like it's bouncing off the walls and gets a hall-like effect. This both lowers the quality and makes the listener feel the voice is not professional. This section comes and removes exactly those reflections. The result? A dry, clean, studio-like voice, just like you recorded in a professional acoustic room. Now, let's test the echo and reverb remover together. Here I upload a voice that has a lot of echo inside. We wait a few minutes, and now, hear the result. Hello everyone! Welcome to this video. Today I want to introduce you to one of the most amazing tools that every musician should know and use. See? All those echoes and reverbs in the voice are completely removed. My voice is now uniform, clean, and professional, just like a studio recording. Maybe you say to yourself, with all these features, it must definitely be very expensive. But the good news is no, its price is not that high at all. Just imagine, to have a good microphone, you need to spend at least $150 to $200, and that's only the microphone. If you want to acoustically treat your own studio and build a professional environment, you need to spend several times this amount. But buying an account from LaLaL.ai may not even cost 1/5 of these expenses. For those who don't have very heavy use, the Lite package is only $20. It has all the features, only the processing speed is a bit lower. The Plus and Pro packages are almost the same, with the difference being the exact minutes. For example, Pro Pack for $35, now with 50% discount, gives you about 500 minutes of processing. Plus Pack also, with only $7 more than Lite, gives you more than 3 times the minutes. These are great for personal and individual use. Of course, for businesses, there are more professional packages too, but most of you, my audience, only need the individual section. And don't forget, be sure to enter through the link I've put in the description and test the free 10-minute starter. With every email, you can get 10 free minutes and fully experience it. By the way, I'd really love to know your opinion about this tool. Be sure to write it for me in the comments. Until the next video and tutorial, bye-bye.